Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waroi, kani, kani tū. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waroi, kani, kani tū. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Alright, we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you give us a hand with the clues? Yay! Thank you.
Alright, let's start right at the top here. Clue tuatahi. Do you know what's happening in this picture? Aye, it's Christmas time in this picture.
Clue tuarua. Right here in the middle. What do you think it is? That's right! A kiwi!
Alright, our final clue, clue tuatoru, is sitting right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka whai, it's an āniwa, a rainbow. But this is a special one because it has the te reo Māori names of the colours on it too. We have all 3 clues.
We do.
We have a picture that's showing Christmas time. We have a kiwi. And we have an āniwa with the Māori colours on it.
And you know what? I figured out what we're singing. It's one of our Christmas songs, A Colourful Kiwi Christmas.
It is. This is such a fun song because do you know, on the other side of the world there's lots of snow, but over here in New Zealand it's summer. We have the sun and fun things. So in this song you're going to learn the Māori colours and you're going to learn some cool things that we do here in Aotearoa at summertime and in Christmas time.
Shall we get ready to sing the song together? I'll count to toru and we'll click our fingers. Tahi, rua, toru.
Hey, guess what? Summer's nearly here.
I know, which means that Christmas is near.
Yay! It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. Oh, summer's nearly here, which means that Christmas is near. We've got feta for the berries, strawberries, karaka for the juice on those hot summer days, kōwhai for the sun and its beautiful rays. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas, let's all shout hooray! It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. Oh, summer's nearly here, which means that Christmas is near. Tamariki for the grass, we have our picnics on. Kahurangi for the water at the beach or the pool. Waiporo, there are grapes and plums too. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas, let's all shout woohoo! Now all the colours are together, it's a rainbow kind of Christmas, the kind you can only have in Aotearoa. Now all the colours are together, it's a colourful kiwi Christmas. Let's say them all together one more time. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Follow after us.
Yay!
Whero, karaka, kōwhai, kakariki, kahurangi, waiporo, it's a colourful kiwi Christmas. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. It's a colourful kiwi Christmas. Oh, summer's nearly here, which means that Christmas is near. Summer's nearly here, which means that Christmas is near.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Yay!
so colourful. I love our colourful Kiwi Christmases here in Aotearoa.
Did you have fun learning all the different colours e te reo Māori? Nice.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember some of the kupu, some of those words that we learnt in our song. We're going to go through our colours e te reo Māori. Now this is our first colour. It starts with the sound Fe, Fero, kawhai.
Our next colour starts with the sound K. Ka, karaka.
Alright, our next colour starts with the sound K again. Ko, kōwhai, kawhai.
Our next colour starts again with the sound K. Ka, kakariki.
That's the one. Now there's another colour. This one starts with the sound K. Can you see it? Kahu, kahurangi.
And our last colour, it starts with the sound W. Wa, waiporoporo.
That's it. That's all the colours of the rainbow that we learned in our song today. We hope you enjoyed learning all those colours and all about our New Zealand Christmases. Let's go and sing goodbye together.
Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite anō. We'll see you soon. Goodbye, hei konei rā. Goodbye, hei konei rā.
Kia ora. Make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes!